what's up, Star Sprites? I'm Fiascos, and today I'm going to go and get the bundles, so let's go ahead and get into that. People are gonna go crazy with those items. Alright. Nearly filled up the entire inventory. I thought there would be at least 20 and I had to go into storage. Alright. Let's see what the items look like with the new, well, not really new, but it's a cheetah. I already have one. The new elk tail looks pretty cool, though. No. Yeah, people are gonna have a field day with these, especially when they have solids. Mainly the elf tail and elf bracelets. Cause how good they would match with the certain outfits. Alright, let's give the cheetah an outfit. Even though I already own one. With the same name, too, I think. And there we go. There's a little outfit for it. Everybody knows all the actions by now. Alright, while I'm here, I might as well try and make an outfit with the new elf tail armor, which is gonna be pretty easy, as it encourages edgy outfits. Where are the foxes? They're gone again! No! Let's just go with the Arctic Wolf. I really wanted to do it on a fox. And I don't think it would go good on this one. Excuse me. I now have the most generic Animal Jam outfit with the new items. Even though they're just recolors, but they're pretty cool recolors, and I think I would recommend this bundle if you want the elf tail armor, because I guarantee you that one is gonna go up in popularity. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember that I have fiascos and you should have a good day. Bye-bye!